Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from eBay Partner Network to bank account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from eBay Partner Network to your bank account, first, log into your eBay Partner Network account. Navigate to the Payments section found in the dashboard. Here, you will see your earnings and payment options. Click on the Withdrawal button to initiate the process. Ensure that you have set up your payment method correctly prior to this step. If you haven't yet done so, you will need to add your bank account details. Enter your bank account information accurately to avoid any issues. Double-check your entry to ensure all details are correct. Once your bank information is confirmed, return to the Withdrawal section. Select the amount you wish to withdraw from your earnings. Make sure that the amount you choose is within your available balance. After entering the amount, confirm your withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. Withdrawal processing times can vary, so check the payment timeline. You will receive a notification once the funds are on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section for troubleshooting tips. If required, you can also contact eBay Partner Network support for assistance. Keep track of your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. With these steps, you can easily withdraw your earnings to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.